I'm probably okay.
Trying to get that starter boat in perfect position so that they can get that flag down and be out of the way when those drivers come by. Coming up on the 1 minute gun. 60 seconds, drivers, 60 seconds. You see all those canopy tops going
Gun
down
just
on
went
those
off.
boats, locked securely in place. 50 seconds, drivers, 50 seconds. 5, 6, and 7-point harness system. Orders, down goes the flag and off the beach goes the world. Coming through, side by side, it's Jason Milk, Stephen Lee, and R.J. West. Those three boats out in front of the rest. In fourth place for the great move, Steve Berlew and that black number 66 boat. They'll take the long way around the course to start this race. Then they'll go on.